In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your referral code and Shein fast and easy. First of all, you need to open your Shein app. Alright, so on your Shein app, go to this me right there on the bottom right, click on it. Then you want to go to more service right here. You want to scroll to the left and click on my reference. Okay, click on my reference. Alright, then you input your reference code, your referral code. So once you input your referral code in here, then you click on update. Alright, so that's the easiest way to use your referral code on Shein. If you don't find my reference down here, all you need to do is to settings right here, click on settings, then location. So you need to change your location to United States. Okay, so once you do that, you'll be able to find my reference right here, and then you can use it to input your referral code on Shein. So if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and whatever you don't understand, I'll get back to you as soon as possible.